Hi everyone, my name is Teresa and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna have a special episode visiting my high school where I haven't been for 12 years. We're gonna see and talk to my friend who is actually a teacher there. But just before we start, I really wanted to thank you because thanks to you I've reached 2,000 subscribers, so I'm really grateful for that. So keep learning with me, keep sharing my videos with your friends. It's been really an awesome journey with you. And I would like to take this opportunity also to say thank you to my Patreons and especially to Michal, George and Curtis, who've been really supportive. And I'd like to invite all of you to join my Patreon too, because there are three main benefits for you. You're gonna enjoy watching my videos 2 days earlier than everybody else on YouTube. You'll be able to practice more with the English translation and Czech transcript. And if you want, you'll get access to my bloopers as well, and there are many of them. In the first part of this video, we're gonna speak only in Czech, and in the second part, I'm gonna go through some common expressions that we use in Czech. And now, let's go to my school. Tady jsem chodila 4 roky na střední školu. Jsem trochu v šoku. Nebyla jsem tady 12 let, takže se samozřejmě hodně změnila. Mluvila jsem s mojí učitelkou, paní Konvičkovou, která mě učila psaní na počítači. Taky jsem chtěla vidět moji třídní učitelku, ale bohužel tam dneska nebyla. To je Jenda. Jenda je můj spolužák z vysoké školy a teď je učitel na mojí střední škole.
Zdravím vás.
Jak dlouho učíš tady na té škole?
Učím tady 7 let.
Jaké předměty učíš?
Učím francouzštinu, dějepis a ještě mám archivnictví v prváku.
Jendo, my jsme spolu studovali na univerzitě, to jsme byli studenti a ty jsi teď v roli učitele. Jaké je to pro tebe být v této roli, v roli učitele?
Je to hrozně zajímavý, baví mě to.
Jaký jsou tvoji studenti nebo žáci, to je synonymum?
Jsou fajn, naši studenti jsou bezvadní a já s nima vycházím.
Co se ti nejvíc líbí a nejméně líbí na tvojí práci?
Nejvíce mi líbí, že jsem v kontaktu s lidma. Mě prostě baví komunikovat, bavit se, to mě naplňuje. Co se mi nejvíc nelíbí, je, jak společnost vnímá roli učitele, že se začínáme stávat takovou, jakoby, no jo, učitelé jsou ve 2 doma, mají 3 měsíce prázdnin a šíleně vysoký platy a není všechno pravda to, co se říká. Prázdniny máme, ale ta práce je náročná, domů jezdím v 6 večer.
Tak jo, Jendo, tak díky moc za rozhovor a držím ti palce.
Díky a ať se vám taky daří.
In my first question, I asked Jenda how long has he been teaching here. So, učitel is a teacher, učit is to teach. When Jenda says, učím tady 7 let,
Učím tady 7 let.
it means I've been teaching here for 7 years. But if he said, učím se česky 7 let, it would mean I've been learning Czech for 7 years. If you're still unsure about the difference between učit and učit se, check out the link above to see the detailed explanation. My second question was about the subjects that Jenda teaches. Předměty.
Učím francouzštinu, dějepis a ještě mám archivnictví v prváku.
So, French, history and archiving in the first year. So, prvák is a slang and shortened word for první ročník. You can also say druhák for druhý ročník, etc. So I can say, Honza a já jsme se potkali v prváku. We met in the first year of university. My third question for Jenda was about his role as a teacher. Role učitele. He says, je to hrozně zajímavý.
Je to hrozně zajímavý.
Which means literally it's terribly interesting. But it's translated as it's really interesting. So even though hrozně and hrozný, an adverb and an adjective, mean terrible and they are negative words, we sometimes use them in a positive context to express an emphasis. Like, tento film je hrozně zábavný. So this movie is really funny. So we say this quite a lot. Jenda also says, baví mě to. I enjoy it.
Baví mě to.
And again, you can see a detailed explanation of this phrase if you click the link above. My fourth question was oriented towards his students. Studenti or žáci. Jenda says that his students are fine, jsou bezvadní a vycházím s nimi.
Jsou fajn. Naši studenti jsou bezvadní a já s nima vycházím.
So fine means they're cool, I like them. Vycházím s nimi means I get along with them. So vycházet s někým, to get along with somebody, the infinitive is used quite a lot in Czech. Vycházíš s tvými kolegy v práci? Do you get along with your colleagues at work? My fifth and last question was about the ups and downs of his work. Jenda said, nejvíce mi líbí, že jsem v kontaktu s lidma.
Nejvíce mi líbí, že jsem v kontaktu s lidma.
I enjoy the most the fact that I'm around people. However, Jenda doesn't like how the society perceives teachers. Jak společnost vnímá učitele.
Co se mi nejvíc nelíbí, je, jak společnost vnímá roli učitele.
Vnímat is to perceive somebody, but I can also say, if I'm telling you something and I think you're not listening, I can ask you, vnímáš mě? Like, are you listening? According to Jenda, society thinks that teachers return home at 2 p.m. They have 3 months of holidays and super high salaries, to which he says, není všechno pravda, co se říká.
Není všechno pravda, co se říká.
It's not all true what they say. So we use this particular phrase. Even though it's a bit long, we say this a lot in Czech. That's it for this video. I'm really glad if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you've already visited your grammar school or high school and your teachers. If you found this video valuable, I really hope to see you in my Patreon community. Thanks for watching and I will see you next week. Ciao!
Čau.